Identifying organizational models and attributes. Organizational structures have direct influence over the project. Organizational structures determine the procedures that the project manager must follow and the amount of authority. The project manager process a project office mainly oversees project management activities and provides additional support in any of the organizational structures. The the organizational types and the level of authority a project manager can expect are shown in the following table. In a functional organizational structure, the power of a project manager is low to none. In a weak matrix, the power of project manager is low. In a balanced matrix, the power of project manager is low to moderate. In a strong matrix, the power of project manager is moderate to high. In a projectized organization, the power of project manager is high to complete. In a composite organization, the power of project manager varies. Beyond the concept of completing the work, project managers must also consider the social, political, economic, and environmental influences that may sway a project. Specifically, the project manager must evaluate the project to determine its social, political, economic, and environmental impact, as well as note the project surroundings. The project manager may have some external guidance in these areas in the form of standards and regulations. What are standards and regulations? Standards are guidelines that are generally followed but not enforced or mandatory. Regulations come in the form of rules and industry demand and are enforced by various governing bodies.